We're with Scott McLean, who is the President and CEO of Transition Metals. Scott, talk to us quickly about the company, please.
Sure, it's a pleasure to be here. Transition Metals is a publicly traded company. The symbol is XTM on the Venture Exchange. And Transition Metals is what we classify as a prospect generator or project generator. We follow a very specific business model. The company has 30 projects across Canada, a number of partnerships, 17 different partner agreements, and a couple of subsidiaries that we have a high percentage ownership of. Within the Transition bundle, there's Sudbury Platinum, which we own 36% of, and it's focused in the Sudbury mining camp. And we also have a 65% stake in a new company called Canadian Gold Miner, which has a bundle of excellent projects in the Abitibi Greenstone Belt.
Great. So how is a project generator different from the traditional junior resource company?
Yeah, very good. If you look at a traditional junior, typically they have a single project, one or two projects, generally a flagship project as well. Their goal is to find a single discovery, to be involved in a single discovery. The way they fund that is they issue a lot of equity. They sell stock or ownership in the company. That creates a high level of shareholders dilution or dilution rate. So at the end of the day, their success story is being involved in a single discovery. They're going to own a big percentage of it, probably 80 or 100% of the asset. But you and I, as shareholders, will have been significantly diluted, so they will own a smaller piece of the bigger pie. Project Generator looks at it a little differently. We have a number of projects, so as opposed to having a single asset, we have 30 assets. And rather than selling equity or ownership in the company, our choice is to sell interest in the individual projects or the individual assets to partners. By doing that, we keep our equity shareholders' dilution very low. So at the end of the day, our goal is to be involved in numerous discoveries, but we'll probably have a minority interest in each. But you and I, as shareholders, will not have been significantly diluted, so we'll have a larger piece of a bigger pie. So that's the basic difference. The advantages of the project generator business model is we have many irons in the fire, so our shareholders have an opportunity to be involved in numerous opportunities, on numerous discoveries, and also it's a bit of a risk mitigation model where we're using other partners' funding to help advance our projects. We're still diluting, but we're diluting on property interest rather than equity dilution.
Right. And is there a promising partner that you're working with currently that you can mention for us?
Sure, there's a number of partners we have. A key partner for us for many years has been Impala Platinum out of South Africa. They're the world's second biggest platinum producer. We've been working with them since 2008 in a number of different agreements. And notably, we have a brand new discovery up in the Thunder Bay region, a platinum discovery. It's about 1,000 by 300 meters in size right now. Great intersections up to 43 meters, 3.5 grams platinum. And that's one of our key partners. Other partners we have a strategic alliance with the Inuit people of Nunavut, where we're exploring the Nunavut region together with them. And we've just brought in a new partner, as a matter of fact, called Aldershot, who's going to earn into our Haltane project. So there's a number of other partners. There's a couple of the key ones that we're working with right now.
Great. And you're actually known to be a rock star team, and you've won an award as a generator. What makes you guys what you are?
Well, collectively, we have been cut out of the cloth of a international company called Falconbridge. We all worked together at Falconbridge back in the day, and had a great track record, a great discovery success track record back then. We were able to take that skills that we were developed through time and take that outside and build our own companies within that with that same group of people. Collectively, like you said, we've had a number of discoveries. We are focused on discoveries. In fact, we've discovered many tons of resources with many billions of dollars over time, and we have had a couple of awards. Notably, we've been awarded National Prospector of the Year award issued by the Prospectors and Developers Association of Canada, and quite recently, in Ontario, we were awarded the Bernie Schneiders Ontario Discoverers of the Year back in 2013, together with our partners Impala for our Sunday Lake discovery.
All right, thank you, Scott, for everything you've shared with us.
It was a pleasure being here, Rachel.
For more Mines and Money coverage, make sure to watch them on SmallCapPower.